Put it down with my niggas EMT and Fire. Which, hey, y'all come to that SD, cuz kick it with a real one. Rich rolling 40s, block banging, yeah.
I got so many flavors, I know you wanna taste of what I got. Come on and give it a try. So many flavors, I got so many flavors. So many flavors, I know you wanna taste of what I got. Come on and give it a try. I got so many flavors. I got so many flavors.
Loco. Yeah, I got them blunt raps, Swisher Sweets, optimals and zigzags. And I gotta see that kush, I hope that it's a big bag. Silly people shouldn't smoke, you fucking up my high-low. Kit Kat can see cool, cuz bang this and fucking smoke them off, yak them off bomb. Got a following like Farrakhan, ain't no suits or bean pods, these guns got bananas on. And I'm still a star kid even after the drama gone. Known to pull a mask on and run up in your mama home. I'm a ride alone, one man hood show. Ready to take a problem anywhere that it could go. I got a gang of homies and yo, they call them bros. I'm from that mad 4-0, they call me Bullet Loco. With a passion like Christ for this mic, so fucking nice. And the dick was so good to her, I had to fuck her twice. And see these motherfuckers love when I flip this, homie. I'ma die with this flavor in this crib shit, homie.
Flavors, I know you wanna taste of what I got. Come on and give it a try. I got so many flavors. I got so many flavors. So many flavors. I know you wanna taste of what I got. Come on and give it a try. I got so many flavors. I got so many flavors.
That's that weed talk. While these fiends out here speed walk, me and my constituents commence to that G-talk. We spark, yeah, we dipping in the G-ride. We high, been on the smoking shit since we were knee-high. See, I had these dreams of pushing C5s, dipping on the coast, Ventura County, catch me seaside. 420, who got the papers low? J.O. got the blunt wraps and kush to smoke. We got some bitches we can poke on. So high, so fly, top back, wife beaters with the lokes on. Flow strong, off that Bin Laden, feel like Voltron. Thundercats go, we smoking until the O's gone. Potheads, feeling Jamaican, but I ain't got dreads. Coughing up my lungs, it feels like I'm on the drop dead, but never that. Cause I've been smoking like forever, Jack. Lungs insulated with resin, I'm spitting fade to black.
Flavors, I know you wanna taste of what I got. Come on and give it a try. I got so many flavors. I got so many flavors. So many flavors. I know you wanna taste of what I got. Come on and give it a try. I got so many flavors. I got so many flavors.
Anybody got papers, blunt wraps, platinum, yeah, we own that. Swisher Sweets, optimals, yeah, we own that. Blown back, stone cats, make you bring the song back. Yeah, we ain't got no more. California shining, and that fast lane gliding, scraping my feet on the sky like I'm flying. Kush on the map, what they know about us is one thing, yeah, we rolling it up, yeah, we blowing it up. Hit the city, we blowing on that pretty certified. Bruh, I ain't kidding, man, that house got many kinds. Pick and choose, shots full of sticky goo. Get it how you want it, stay blunt and spend hundreds, cop the new. Know they smell it in the air. Some jealous with the stairs, but really I don't care. What I want is a blunt so I can roll this weed up. So many types of sticky green and they screaming to light me up.
I got so many flavors.